How to make money on Swagbucks. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can start making money online with Swagbucks. In case you don't know, Swagbucks is one of the few websites that allow persons to earn money from anywhere in the world for doing surveys. As you can see right here, I'm currently on swagbucks.com, and it's quite simple to sign up, as all you'll need to do is enter your email and information right there, or you can tap on sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook. Once you have signed up, you'll be led to this page right here, and this is the home page. And as you can see here, everything you will see SB, which stands for Swagbucks. So for simple signing up, you will get 2 Swagbucks. And if you were to answer a survey, you would get 200 Swagbucks. And if you scroll down further, there are even more options on how you can start earning more Swagbucks. And you may be wondering, what's the value of the Swagbucks? Well, if I were to go onto rewards, on which you can tap on by tapping on the smiley face in the top right hand corner, and tap on redeem your Swagbucks, you'll be led to this page on which you'll see some Amazon gift cards that you can access depending on the amount of Swagbucks that you have gathered. And you can also receive payment via PayPal depending on the amount of Swagbucks that you have. Now let's go back to the home page. As you can see here, there are various offers or things that you can do to make money with Swagbucks. You can decide to download and play a game. For example, play Mafia City right here. For simply downloading and playing this game, you'll be earning 3,000 Swagbucks. As I can scroll across here, there are numerous games you can play. And one of the biggest things or easiest ways to make money with Swagbucks is by getting cash back. Depending on the website or the app that you use to do your purchase, as you can see, Expedia is a partner of Swagbucks, and this is one of the reasons why Swagbucks is so popular and has been around for so long, as they are partners with some of the biggest brands and companies in the world. So for example, if you should book a ticket or book a trip through Expedia, you can get up to 3% cashback with Swagbucks. And with Macy's, if you should go shopping on Macy's, you can see you can receive 2% cashback. And with Groupon, it's 15% cashback. So earn 15 Swagbucks per dollar. And there are numerous options. As you can see, they have partnerships with a lot of big brands. Hilton Hotel, JC Penney, you name it. And Swagbucks probably has a partnership with them on which you can get cash back. And you can also earn money with Swagbucks by referring a friend. And in fact, by referring a friend, you will be able to maximize your earning, as you'll be able to get money every time that friends make money. It will be a lifetime earning. And if you're wondering if Swagbucks pays via PayPal or crypto token, as you can see in an article that was written February 23rd, 2020, Swagbucks uses PayPal as one of the many payouts for taking surveys. It's also the only survey site that offers free cryptocurrency rewards in addition to PayPal, gift cards, sweepstake prizes, and our charitable donations. So it's easy to see why Swagbucks is so popular and why you can definitely give it a try to start earning money online. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.